Linear versus Exponential by Tyler and Adam. Linear growth. Bob works at KFC. Every day he earns $65. How much money will Bob earn in 20 weeks? Because the rule is next equals now plus 65. And the start is 0. Start is 0 because he started and he didn't have any money then. So 20 weeks is equal to 140 days, which is 20 times 7. This means that Bob continues to earn money every day for 140 days. He works on weekends too. The explicit rule is y equals mx plus b. Y is equal to total money earned, m is equal to money earned to each x. X is equal to units, usually times for 1 m, and b is starting value. The explicit equation is y equals 65 times 140 plus 0. And if we put that in the equation, it will be 65 times 140 is equal to 9,100 plus 0, and that will equal to 9,100 in 20 weeks. The table is days as x, money as y, and that's the table. And then the graph is a linear equation because it's going up at the same rate, and it's growth because it's going upwards. How much money earned in 2 years? Years equals 365 days. 365 times 2 is equal to 730 days. Y equals 65 times 730 plus 0. So y is equal to 47,450. How many days to earn $6,699? So you do 6,699 is equal to 65x. And then you do 6,699 divided by 65, which will equal 103.06 days, and rounded up to 104 days. The exponential growth is a sample of bacteria are studied. There are 15 bacteria in the sample. Studies show that the bacteria count quadruples every hour. How many bacteria are there after 15 hours? Next equal, the recursive rule is next equals now times 4. Start is 15. The explicit equation is y equals 15 times 4x. And and the equation is y equals 15 times 4 to the 15th power. The table is hours for x and bacteria count for y. The graph is exponential because it is going at a faster rate over time but slower at first, and it is growth because it's going upwards. How many bacteria after 4.6 hours is equal to 8,882. How many hours to achieve 1 million bacteria is 1 million divided by 15, which will equal, anyways, 1 million divided by 15, which equals 66,666 is equal to 4x. X is equal to 8 hours. OMG. Linear decay. Billy Bob Joe has $500 to give away to charity. Each month he gives $5 to charity. How much money does he have after 9 months? So the equation is next equals now minus 5. Start is equal to 500. The explicit equation is y equals negative 5x plus 500. The answer is y equals negative 5 times 9 plus 500, which will be negative 45 plus 500, which is equal to 455 after 9 months. The table is x is equal to days, y is equal to money remaining, and the table is going down because it's decay, and it's linear, which is same rate. A new car that sells for $30,000, this is 20%. Each year, find the value of the car after 11 years. Next equals now times 0.88, which is 80%. and start is equal to 30,000. So the equation will be y is equal to 30,000 times 0.80 to the x power, and x is equal to 11, so it will be 30,000 times 0.80 to the 11th power. The answer is 30,000 times 0.80 to the 11th power, which equals 0.086, and multiply that by 30,000, which would equal to $2,576.98 in 11 years. The table is x is equal to years, y is equal to cost of cars. The graph is exponential because it's going slower and then faster later on, and it's decay, which is going down. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. I studied like 5,000 times in that.